Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. Now this video is to accompany one of my Etsy listings. It's for this rather magnificent looking drum just here. It's a 20-inch buffalo skin drum, and straight away you'll notice it's tie-dyed in this random design, predominantly purple, but with lots of different colors in there as well, pinks mainly. I'm sorry, carried away, tapping away there. If I turn it over, you can see we've got a lovely branch handle in here, and it's bound with leather, and I put the moon cycles in here, which is representative of the goddess. I've also, yes, I repeated that design on the inside of the frame as well. Here I burnt it in there with my little engraver. Lots more information on the inside of the frame here. Birthed on the 6th of August 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's for those of you interested in the astrology of the drum, the energies around on the day the drum was birthed. It falls into the house of Leo, so I put the symbol for Leo in there. I put my maker's mark up there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I've also put buffalo and ash in there as well, so you've always got a reference for the tree and the animal that went to bring their energies together to form this beautiful drum. So yeah, it's rather lovely. I'm going to have a play, because the main thing with a drum is not what it looks like, it's what it sounds like. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. Either of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum for your own. Let's have a play. This is the firmer beater to begin with. Beautiful, rich, deep sound. The softer beater. Big sound. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision, being able to hear what the drum sounds like, and that's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.